Leader, Boys Charit Dolon. Second Platoon Leader, Boys Joshua James Perfecto. CTP Bravo Company Commander, Jonabel Mindinueta. CTP Bravo Company EXO Micaela Ornido. City First Platoon Leader, Girls Yuri D. Abunal. Second Platoon Leader, Girls Dayan Baenyo. Mapi Company Commander Jerome Omandud. Mapi Company EXO Junjun N. Blasa. First Platoon Leader, John Lorian Overo. Second Platoon Leader, Ashley Paraños. School Head, Salvi V. De La Cruz. CTP Mapi Facilitator, Ronnie B. Galicia. Assistant CTP Mapi Facilitator, Joy B. Estaño. Majors Coordinator, Casilin Marilag. Assistant Majors Coordinator, Mary Francis P. Variantos. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Annalyn Coral. Assistant DXMC DLC Coordinator, Julian R. Bernigo. Entry number 26, Pansong National High School, Pansong Bula, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 26, Pansong National High School, Bula, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 20.